Doing a battery test on the 12 volt battery that came out of my aeroplane, which I wasn't able to restore via a standard charger. I've put it on the CTEK charger now and set it to recondition, and it's fully charged. Although the recon light never ever went green, stayed on red, it's still been 24 hours and recharged, and I've hooked it up to the battery tester. As you can see it's showing 13 volts, so it's fully charged, and now I'm about to add a bit of charge to it on a bit of load. Here we go for 9 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that didn't drop below, oh it did, it dropped to just above 9. We'll give it a few seconds. That's got pretty hot there. So we'll give it another minute, half a minute to cool down and do it again. Now that's reduced the voltage down to below, it was above 13, now it's below 13, so it's probably lost a quarter to half a volt there, just in that one turn. So it looks like the batteries, I don't know whether that's normal. I would have thought a good battery would have held that on 13. Just for that, although that's a big load that's put on it. Load volts, anyway, I'll check that later. Now we'll give it another go. Oh, it's still pretty hot. Anyway, we'll give it another go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see that dropped to the bad area and dropped into below 9. So it seems to me that the battery is stuffed, but it might be good for other uses, like using for camping lights and stuff like that. Okay.